Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling how to sign up for Uber Eats in 2025. Whether you're a foodie looking to order your favorite meals or a driver wanting to earn extra cash, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. By 2025, Uber Eats has streamlined its app for even faster sign-ups, so let's dive right in. First, grab your smartphone or tablet and head to your App Store. Search for Uber Eats on the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Download and install the app. It's free and takes just a minute. Once it's open, you'll see a welcoming screen. Tap on Sign Up to get started. Next, enter your email address or phone number. Uber Eats will send a verification code, so make sure it's a valid one. After that, create a strong password, at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Don't worry, the app will guide you through this. Now, verify your account by entering the code you received. This step ensures everything's legit and protects against fraud. Once verified, you'll be prompted to add your personal details like your name, address, and date of birth. If you're signing up as a driver, you'll also need to upload documents such as your driver's license and proof of vehicle insurance. Uber Eats makes this easy with photo uploads. After your profile is set up, link a payment method. Add a credit card, debit card, or even a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This step is crucial for seamless transactions, whether you're ordering food or getting paid as a driver. A quick tip. In 2025, Uber Eats offers personalized recommendations based on your sign-up info, so be honest with your details to get the best experience. Also, look out for welcome bonuses or promo codes to save on your first few orders or rides. And that's it. You're all signed up and ready to go. Uber Eats is a fantastic way to enjoy convenient deliveries or boost your income. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.